This is the moment you've all been wanting to look for. We're finally gonna draw Super Saiyan 4 Goku. As we mentioned before, Super Saiyan 4 is the evolved state, and this came long before Super Saiyan God. Well, this form came long before Dragon Ball Super. This was the evolved state that came after Super Saiyan 3. Anyway, getting started. Drawing Super Saiyan 4 Goku is easy. You start by drawing the face, then you just draw the rest of his hair. Just draw his hair. Draw these spikes around his body. It's not like his normal Goku hair. Back then I didn't know much about Dragon Ball Super. I hardly had an interest for it. But after watching it back in 2017 and 2018, in the episode Come Forth Shenron, Whose Wish Will Be Granted, I took a big liking to the show. I wanted to find out more about it. And it was revealed that Goku had a new transformation. You know it as Super Saiyan Blue, otherwise known as Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan. I first watched this after Dragon Ball Super had shown its own sequel to the Resurrection F Mark. Back when I first saw Golden Frieza, I was surprised Super Saiyan God had even okay. I was surprised that Dragon Ball had taken things to new heights. Who would have thought Goku would have had a God state? But that series came long after That series came long after Kid Buu's reincarnation. Dragon Ball Super was the prequel to before Super Saiyan 4. Back when things were a lot different. After Dragon Ball Super came Dragon Ball... Well, Super Dragon Ball Heroes, actually. Well, in Dragon Ball Super, Broly got a huge update. What if that movie never happened? Anyway, we're drawing the tail next. When you're coloring in Super Saiyan 4 Goku, you must draw his fur to be pinkish like red. I don't know when I've plotted to draw this fighter. I haven't had a location or a date set. Just for today, I'm drawing it. Anyway, there he is. That's how you draw Super Saiyan 4 Goku. That was pretty easy. And this isn't even half of it. In the next episode, we're gonna draw Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. Stay prepared.